Good morning. Oh my god, I look insane. It's Sunday. I'm about to go shopping to do some groceries. These pants, oh my god, I've been looking for something like this for quite some time. I wish they had like white and beige and just like grey as well. Amazing quality, like it is insane. Little long, but with heels, I think it looks great. This was really good. And to go with this, I got this grey top, super cute. This is a size 4. The straps kind of like fall off sometimes, but it sits really nicely around my bust. Very nice. It's like a corporate girly, you know, like this fit is perfect for a corporate girl. You just can't argue with that. I'm just gonna put like tiny bit of tomato sauce here and there. Look at this, the quality. It's insane.
Quality.
What coffee did you get?
I had a mocha. Just gonna enjoy my coffee.
We have a sick lady in the house. She is feeling nauseous. I think she's pregnant. Kidding! Dinner for one. Bit of pak choy. Apparently it's pak choy, not bok choy.
You didn't know?
No, I didn't know. So I'm saying pak choy. And we have tomatoes, bit of cabbage, broccolini. And then over here we have my penne pasta boiling. This is my comfort meal, so it might look really weird to some people, but don't judge me. I could eat this pasta pretty much all day, every day. Like Miss Girl stress, pasta. Miss Girl happy, pasta. Every single day, pasta. Actually, it's not just pasta. It's actually gravy, pasta. So this is the pasta. And in here, I'm gonna put some water. Oh, don't get shocked. Please don't get shocked. This is so freaking good. To this, we're gonna add this. Hello. Just came out of the shower. Oh my god, that just scared me so much. I am putting my camera, I'll show you where I'm putting my camera right now. I am putting it right over here, like, yeah, there's dust. So getting ready now. I don't want to do too much. Okay, let's try putting the powder first and then the cream on top. Oh. Girl, why are we not coming? I hope this makes my skin look dewy. Oh my god, I don't know what shade this is. Love Trap. Love Trap, it's right here. I know a lot of people are a fan of the Pillow Talk, but I think it just doesn't suit me, you know. I have a very similar shade to that, which is Whirl from MAC. I'm just going a little bit with that as well. So here is the look. I don't think I'm really gonna do anything with my hair because I washed it yesterday. I might just like put some hair oil and call it a day. No. This is the Alpha Puff hair oil. This is really good. I've had this for like a couple of months now and I'm never running out. Like, I'm sorry, but it is really good. I really like this hair oil. Just doing some laundry now. My work clothes. I'm gonna make some fried lentils. I'm just gonna edit this video now. Thank you so much for watching my vlog.